Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell OptiPlex machine. We're looking at the OWC 16GB DDR4 2666MHz SODIMM memory module. Specifically, this is the CL19 1.2V 260-pin non-ECC SODIMM, and it's designed to be compatible with a range of Dell OptiPlex models, including the 5270 AIO, 7060 Micro, 7070 Micro, 7460 AIO, and 7470 AIO. It also carries part numbers like SMPCRXJ 6C16G, AA075845, and A9168727. Now, why is RAM so important? Well, it's your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. This is especially crucial for all-in-one computers and micro PCs like the OptiPlex series, which are often used in professional settings where multitasking is key. This OWC module offers 16 GB of DDR4 memory, running at a speed of 2666 MHz. The CL19 latency indicates the delay in clock cycles between when the memory receives a command and when it executes it. While a lower latency is generally preferred, the 2666 MHz speed provides a significant boost in performance for compatible systems. The fact that it's a SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module, is important because it's the form factor used in laptops and small form factor desktops like the OptiPlex Micro. The 260-pin configuration is standard for DDR4 SODIMMs. The 1.2V voltage is also worth noting. It's the standard low voltage for DDR4 memory, which helps to reduce power consumption and heat generation, crucial for compact systems like the OptiPlex AIOs and Micros. Non-ECC means this memory doesn't have error correction. ECC memory is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday office tasks and general use, non-ECC memory is perfectly adequate and more cost-effective. Compatibility is key, and OWC specifically lists the Dell OptiPlex models this module is designed for. Always double-check your system's manual or use a memory compatibility checker to ensure this module will work with your specific OptiPlex configuration. Installing incompatible memory can lead to system instability or failure to boot. Upgrading your RAM is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your computer's performance. If you're experiencing slowdowns, especially when running multiple applications or working with large files, upgrading to 16 GB of RAM can make a noticeable difference. The OWC 16GB DDR4 module appears to be a solid choice for compatible Dell OptiPlex systems, offering a balance of speed, capacity, and power efficiency. Just be sure to confirm compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.